in their garage. Well, we have had steady rain for like 2 stinking days. And unfortunately, that's caused me to have to modify the storage building that I'm doing. And this is what it's looking like now for the last 2 days, what I've been working on. This is the Harpeth River, and it's pretty close to my house. And you can see that the river is way up. I actually had a video one time of us going down in rafts down the Harpeth River. This is at least twice as high as it usually is, and the problem is it hadn't even crested yet. In some spots along the road, it's actually about to go over the banks and go onto the road. And that's when they'll start closing roads because of the flooding. We've had 4 or 5 flash flood reports. Along that tree line is the river, and this is kind of just like a spillway going across, but you can see the road here is completely underwater. You would not want to drive in that. Even with a snorkel, I think it would be a little deep. I mean, it has been a non-stop deluge of water, and it has stopped any progress I've had on the building, but I'm ready to get back on it. Hopefully the sun's going to come out for a little bit, and I'll be happy. I didn't know I was building a swimming pool back here. Alright, so I got the 4 standard roof trusses put together. Awesome. Got all the braces made, and I got the back of it tacked in and nailed up, so that's cool. Man, so 0 progress for the past like 4 days because of this stinking rain. Then it snowed last night, and now it's cold, so I'm not that enthused. Okay, it says apply 47-inch long 2x3 boards to the front gable. Of course, they're not 3 inches, but whatever. I'm looking for a 47-inch long board with a blue marking on the end. There's the board with the blue marking on the end, from what I can tell. So my quandary is, I got them laid out here. You can see that one's lined up exactly right. Got it up to here. It's on the center line, but when I come over here, you can see that board comes out about 1 inch, and I'm thinking that I need to trim it so it matches up with the frame, but it doesn't say nothing about that, so I don't know. Alright, got the back wall framed up. Got to put the siding on it. Alright, I got the back wall built. This is the front wall that I got to put the sheeting on, and then I got to do the 2 longer side walls, and then basically it's ready to put together. Here's the shipping pallet. I'm going to take it apart because they say some of these pieces are used in the actual construction of the building, which, you know what, that's kind of smart, really. Alright, so I got quite a bit accomplished. Now, guess what? It's raining again, so today's going to be a bust. Every other day it rains, or every 3 days in a row it rains, and I haven't been able to work on the dang building, so we'll pick back up as soon as it freaking stops raining. Here's the end of the building. Plan on doing like a little concrete pad right here. I'm going to pour it myself. I've got my concrete mixer still. I may just get like a pallet of Sackcrete delivered, and then there's going to be gravel going out. So right in through here there'll be a little pad, so you can use a jack or whatever you need to do. And then going through the back there'll be gravel. This won't be a real high use area. It'll just be like when I pull something back here and to work on it for a while, like when I'm doing a restoration. But I think that'll work great. And the Gravely did a nice job, and we're going to use the same method to build the back patio back here. So it's getting closer. If it'll just quit stinking raining. Oh man, so here we go, having to stop for the rain. Dang it. Went by Home Depot today, got 7 squares of shingles, the same as my roof on the house, and some ridge vent, felt paper. Should be good to go on that. So I got to roof this thing. While I was at Home Depot, I looked at the coil nail guns for the roof nails. The cheapest one they had was 200 bucks, and it was a Porter cable. So then while I was there, I looked on Amazon's website and I get one for 79 bucks. So I ordered it at Home Depot. So we're going to take a look at that when it comes in. It should be in later this week. This building is going together. I'm excited to get this stinking thing done. Keep watching. I might be able to have a roof on this thing. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.